Judges listened to more arguments today. Those arguments have to do with the state's newly passed congressional district map. The new map is expected to help Republicans pick up 5 more seats. But civil rights groups and dozens of Black and Hispanic voters are challenging it, saying the map dilutes their votes. So a 3-judge panel is deciding if that map can be used during the 2026 midterm elections. KVUE's Daniel Perrialt has more.
A legal battle could help determine who has control of the U.S. House. A panel of federal judges in El Paso is weighing whether Texas's new congressional district map that boosts Republicans is constitutional.
If you had a racial goal, there is a federal constitutional bar to engaging in racial gerrymandering.
The plaintiffs, made up of civil rights groups, including the League of United Latin American Citizens, or LULAC, want the court to stop the state from using the new map in the midterms, arguing it strips voting power from Black and brown voters.
The argument for that proposition is that the legislators improperly made use of race as an objective behind the redistricting.
State lawmakers redrew the map with the goal of adding 5 more Republican seats at the request of President Donald Trump.
Texas is now more red in the United States.
Lawyers for the state say the map was drawn without regard for race and instead for partisan gain, which is legal.
It's hard for them to take the position that this map was always about partisanship when they initially said it was about race.
Back in July, state Republican leaders cited a letter from the Justice Department as a reason to redraw the map. That letter said some of the current districts were drawn based on race. Since then, Republicans and lawyers for the state have downplayed it. David Frumkin, an assistant professor at the University of Houston Law Center, says it's usually hard to prove maps were drawn to disenfranchise minority voters, but the letter makes things easier.
It's quite unusual for state officials to say directly that they have a racial goal.
As the plaintiffs' lawyers try to sow doubt about the intentions behind the map's creation, the state's expected to call the man who drew the map, Adam Kincaid, to testify next week.